Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Zero Investment online trading app in your device. Zero Investment online trading app is an app that allows you to trade with zero investment. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Zero Investment online trading. There you can see Zero Investment Online Trading by Bluebell Tech. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Zero Investment Online Trading app to trade with zero investment. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.